Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Today we have to discuss the fifth and final financial element, which is expenses. So let's see what is expenses, what are expenses. Okay, now. Okay, now students, expenses. Uh, see, now you can see on the screen, first slide, the fifth financial element, that is expenses. Oh, I made a mistake. Sorry, class. Now see, expenses. Now, the cost of operations that a business entity incurs to generate revenues and ultimately its profit. Not a single organization can generate revenues. Yesterday in my class, in my previous class about revenues, which I have uploaded yesterday, I told you that the most important source of asset is revenues. All the strive, what we are doing, what we are planning, what we are concerned about is revenues. But revenues cannot be generated without incurring the cost of operation of a business entity, without these expenses. So expenses we have to make to generate revenue. Take example of Imtiaz Superstore or Chase Up or Nahi. If they are not ready to pay salaries to the employees who are there to help you out, if they are not ready to pay electricity expenses, cleaning expenses, will they be able to generate revenue from people? Nobody will visit them. Who will visit them? If there is no people to guide you, there is no electricity, there is no light, there is no cleanliness, nobody will visit them. So they have to bear those expenses to earn revenue. Now, so basically expenses is outflow of cash. Now, because we are following accrual-based accounting, I've told you in my last class also, expenses are recorded when they are incurred, whether paid or not. If you are paying at the spot, it's okay. If you are not paying at the spot, you have to record it. And if you are not paying at the spot, they are recorded as current liabilities for the period. Getting my point here? Now, at the beginning, I must tell you there are only two types of expenses from the viewpoint of finance or money, financial and non-financial expenses. Now come to financial expenses. Outflow of cash is necessary to incur those expenses, whether paid at the spot or after some time. These are the expenses which needs to be paid. Outflow of cash is necessary. Done. Acha. It might be possible that some of the organizations they pay their expenses in advance. If they are paying their expenses in advance, they are called prepaid and they are recorded as current asset, not expenses. Achha, suppose you are incurring it and you are not paying it. So they are called accrued liabilities or accrued expenses, and they will be reported as accrued expenses or accrued liabilities in the balance sheet as liability, as a current liability. Financial expenses of examples are salaries, wages, utilities, means light, water, electricity. These are all called utilities. Advertisement, insurance, rent, interest, tax, miscellaneous expense, repairs, maintenance, motor expenses, etc. So the example, the basic thing of financial expenses is you have to pay. Whether you pay at the spot, whether you pay in advance as prepaid or postpaid. Postpaid is not a word of accounting. We call it accrued expenses or accrued liability. Okay. Last, non-financial expenses, no cash outflow. Please be careful about that. Non-financial expenses do not need to be paid. They are just recorded and they serve as a tax shield. Okay? When you include those expenses against your revenue, the amount of profit will fall, which is not actually declining, but you will show through these expenses that your income is getting low. So you do have to pay a lower amount of tax because you are showing low income tax, income and higher expenses. So these expenses, they increase your expense, but you don't pay anything. This is legal and you have to do it. Now, examples are depreciation, depletion, amortization, bad debts. Now, depletion and amortization, number 2 and number 3, they are not part of your syllabus in CIE, O and A levels. I've never seen depletion and amortization in your O levels, A levels. But depreciation is very much there, and depreciation is explained in detail in my channel. You might find in videos topic depreciation, which is clearly and wonderfully explained. Okay. Now, bad debts. Bad debt is an expense, means when our customer could not pay us the amount which he owes to us, he could not pay. Might be the customer has gone mad, he's gone to a mental hospital, or he's run away abroad somewhere, or he has become bankrupt, or he's dead. He cannot pay. So that amount which we were supposed to receive from that customer who is now in mental hospital, or who is dead, who is abroad, now that receivable turns into bad debts. Okay. So these are non-financial expenses. So depreciation has already been explained in my videos. Inshallah, bad debts will be explained soon, inshallah. So this is all about expenses. So initially, those who are starting accounting, for them, financial expenses are important to learn. Non-financial expenses, depreciation and bad debts are in syllabus and it will be discussed. Depreciation has already been discussed. Bad debts will be discussed in detail, inshallah. So this is all for today. So please kindly subscribe my channel. I'm ready for any type of suggestion, or I'm ready to answer your queries. Leave a comment and inshallah I'll respond to you. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.